Guys, Frank the Tank here. Alright, so how to get rid of the pesky check engine light for the tire sensor. Alright, I already got mine out already. So what you want to do is you want to put it on accessory. So push it one time and then push it twice, so it should come up. Alright, so this is what you're gonna see. So at the very bottom by your steering wheel is the on and off. You want to hit on until you come to tire sensor. All right, so you want to hold the on button down here. You want to hold it on for about 3 seconds. All right, once you hold 3 seconds down, the light is gonna blink. There it is right there. See that? The tire sensor light blink. All right, so after that you're good. You can start the car and then it'll disappear. Alright, so no tire sensor light on. So it's cheaper than taking it to mechanic, paying them hundreds of dollars, or cheaper than buying stuff online to install. Alright, other than that, Frank Tank out. Peace.